Okay, thank you so much for joining today. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I'm not sure which zone you're from. So thank you so much for joining. We have participants from USA, from different continents, to be honest. And we're really glad to have you all of you guys. We have more than 1,000 registrations, but currently we have 470 joining with us. So no problem. So welcome to today's Gemini Nexus, the Agentverse. So we are part of the Build with AI campaign, and under Project 2030 from Google Developer Group on Campus UTM. Um, I'm Samuel, and I'm the lead of Google Developer Group on Campus UTM. So thank you so much for everyone joining today's session. So we will dive through the process, basically like what kind of workshop we will gonna have, what you guys need to do, how you gonna get your redemption for the Google Cloud credit. In between the whole session, we will gonna have a 10-minute break, so we can you guys can catch up a bit, maybe because we are from different part of the world. So I'm pretty much sure that somebody also try having Ramadan or breaking their fast. And the whole session we are having currently in Malaysian time. So I would request everybody to follow the GMT plus 8 time. And I will also try to, today's session is only at night, but we will try to respect the timeline for the Ramadan. And we actually set rest of our sessions at around 4 to 4:30, so 4 to 5:30. Hopefully 1.5 hour overall session for each workshops. Or we will gonna have workshop around 10 a.m. Which is 1 or 2 days we have. So we were gonna go through the all of the workshop little. And also we were gonna also mention that what kind of thing you might need to be installing, what kind of thing you might need to be careful of, what kind of things we should be expecting overall. So yeah. So once again, thank you so much and welcome to today's session, Gemini Nexus, the Agentverse, inspired by Google's Agentverse. So we try to take that initiative rather than being completely for professional Googler or developer experts. We try to do it for beginner level to in advanced level for 8 sessions together, so that you can learn from the basic until to expert level. And at the end of our whole bootcamp, 3-week bootcamp, we are organizing a hackathon, which is with AI Hackathon. So it will be 24-hour time, and we will also have a separate briefing if you guys want to join that one later on, which we will. We will try to cover today, but if it cannot, time cannot allow us, then we will gonna brief it on the last day of our session. So it's just like small instruction, small points, stuff like that. So yeah, let's start. And special thanks to Google Developer Group Georgetown for being our strategic partner. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. So today is our mission briefing. So mission briefing, as if uh, the Gemini Nexus Agentverse is like a technical initiative. It's basically a strategic roadmap to achieve our Project 2030 agenda, where you're gonna be able to like transition from like AI user to agentic user. And so we are also trying to enter current agentic time time or era. And Google actually have taken a lot of initiative to make that happen. So other than we taking the session online like this as a boot camp, Google also do have some campaign, some digital what's it called, code labs, some labs you can also check out by yourself. Those things will also help you enable particular digital badge extra. So yeah, let's dive in. So as I mentioned before, that the bootcamp is basically a 9 session if you include the first session, which is our mission briefing. And the quest is basically, like merit-based verification via LinkedIn. Uh, it's a bit of like a showcasing process, because let's say all of us really love to join talks, but uh, can you make it happen? That's the question. So how do you prove that you have the knowledge? That's why we are trying to provide you different sessions. So for different sessions purpose is basically, like you try to follow through the process, and then you come up with something, or you try it by yourself and you showcase that on your social media. And that's actually one of the process you're gonna get your certificate for that particular session. Also for today. So we will go for that one a bit later. So as I was mentioning, Google's Agentic Era. So the global campaign, which is Built with AI, already started this February until end of May, where we also need to, prioritize Google's agentic patterns, or people need to build something meaningful there for their community, or their, like for daily use. Um, and And the purpose of our bootcamp, we have more than 250 professionals, and the rest is our students from different part of the world. And there will be a bit different type of quest both side. Quest means challenge. So each workshop after you basically is done, you will need to have like do some small stuff, or you can do code alone. I mean, all the way through together with the mentor. Uh, and there will be like a basic thing, a basic structural quest, and there will be a professional quest. So that's what I mean. Because some professional also join, so they can also implement their knowledge directly to their industry, or directly to their field, or directly to their work. Okay, so why Gemini Nexus? Mastering the vision and reasoning simultaneously. Tool-centric, so moving from AI cognition into real AI APIs and files. Swarm orchestration is basically, we will try to use multi-agent models, and we will try to, do reasoning, get it done, work, and then, multiple agents working together. And then, yeah, so all of our session is taken by Google Developer Expert or Googler. So whatever you are learning, you're actually learning industry grade knowledge. And also the certificate we will provide, and the showcase you will have, aka the project you can have after each session, or whatever you are doing, will add on value for your, among all the people. So there's so many people join different hackathon, so many people are there. So currently, the rapid growth of technology and rapid growth in AI, we need to catch up the pace. And so it's really hard to catch up the pace. So what makes us different? The thing that we take initiative, the thing that we try to explore new thing. So that's what makes us a bit different than others. So we will try to provide you the space, all the young developer and developers, current developers. Okay, so before we go dive into more, we will try to introduce you guys like some of the stack technologies we are going to be using. Gemini Pro, so Gemini 3.2 Pro, so current model, Gemini 3.2 Pro. We will be also using that one for our like long-term reasoning, system instruction, and structure scheme. Then we will also use Google's ADK, Agent Development Kit, a framework where like state management, goal decomposition, guardrails. So these are all the stuff you're gonna learn using the Google ADK. Gamma 3 will also be using Gamma 3. So Gamma 3 is like like we were gonna use Gamma 3 to do the edge intelligence also. So it's like you're gonna learn that how to build the agent, which is offline using RAG, local RAG. So yeah, and then core quadrant. So quadrant is like high speed memory. So basically we're going to use quadrant to like allowing the agents to remember concepts, our sub-millisecond vector similarity search, and scalable vector indexing for multi-gigabyte industrial databases. So we will also have Google Developer Expert, like like going through like going through all the process, how to do everything for that session. Cloud Run. So Cloud Run is one of the recent products Google actually launched a few months ago. So which can help you like deploy or like serverless APIs, and you can able to like scale from 0 to global level capacity instantly, and we will gonna use that to deploy our agents basically. Yeah. For XAI, yeah, so we will gonna use for monitoring our like data sets and from management. For we will gonna use Vortex AI for that. And okay, let's see. Let's start from the sessions. So from level one until level 9. So now we are having our beginner initialization. So there is quest one. So everybody need to take screenshot, and whenever we're going through the session today, so that's a quest for you today. So you need to take a screenshot, like like you can open your terminal, like write down protocol initiated, something like that, and then you can like post it in LinkedIn with the hashtag of Gemini Nexus and protocol initiated. And then you can like tag us Google Developer Group on Campus UTM on LinkedIn. So yeah, so if you do it, we can also provide Google form later on, so you can submit your LinkedIn with the post link. That's all. That's enough for today. um, Oh, so basically, each after each session, you need to have one quest to claim your certificate. So how do we do that? When we are having a particular workshop or session, or let's say you already went put along with our yes, we will. When we are doing code along with our speaker or mentor, if you doing with them, that means you are like went through the process. So that what proves you that you did it. Also, let's say if there is a small homework, if you've done it, then also take some running screenshot or like working screenshot on your terminal or the working space, and then post it to the like LinkedIn and tag us, and share your experience, like how you felt, how it was exploring what you learned. So yeah, so it that will be like quest for everybody for each session. There was a question. What was it? Yeah. Yeah, you can take screenshot throughout session anytime. Yes. Um, you wait for the session today. 23rd. First one. 23rd. Today's 23rd. Yeah. Today's 23rd March in GMT plus 6. Plus 8 by the way. So Yeah, don't get confused. Yeah, there is a lot of confusion about the timeline. People have been emailing us, texting us, LinkedIn. Maybe they're lost when the timeline is about. So yeah, where we can portable, where we can get. Oh, I mean, you can just open your terminal. You can click on the Windows button, right click on it, and then you can see terminal. You can just write it down. So yeah, something like that. Or you can take a screenshot of whatever we are going through, and yeah, something like that. Okay, come to the next. The second session will be by Mr. Ong Kang, Yong Kang. So he is Google Developer Expert in Cloud. From him, we're gonna learn about how to build your first autonomous AI agent. For everyone's information, we will share the QR during our session, and it is a request to everyone that please do not reshare the link, because when you reshare the link, somebody who didn't register, somebody who didn't join our session, is accessing the credit, while the person who joined our session will not be able to redeem the credit. So also thanks for our community manager. I think she joined or not. I'm not sure. Let me check. Oh yeah. Hi. Hi, C. So we have our also community manager here from Google Developer Program, from from the APAC and Singapore and Google Malaysia office. So yeah, so thank you so much for today for her. Like, we have a small issue for the cloud credit, and we were able to manage to fix it. Thank you so much. So we will just a precaution for everyone. We are just letting you know that we will gonna be sharing the link during the session before we start. Uh, just be responsible using it. So each person will gonna get 5 credits, and each so you can go through the workshop complete. I mean, nicely. But if, let's say, if you still need it, we will still going through the process of running it. Okay. Anybody have any question? What question? I didn't get where you can get the script. Should I run it under? I mean, you don't need to run. You just need to type and screenshot. So something like that. Well, let me show you. Okay. Wait. Okay. There's nothing. I can share the screen. No problem. Something else. Something like that. Not that hard. You can do like that. Like, you can do so many fun things on terminal. So yeah, things like that. Okay, let me go back to my slide. Yeah, yeah, that's what I mean. So tomorrow's session will be not tomorrow, 20. This one is happening on 25th. Please, I mean, we do have calendar invitation for you guys, because it's too many what is it called, people. We got limitation. We reached to uh, limitation of calendar invitation. So uh, really sorry about it, but I will try to send through my personal email, so everybody can have locked your schedule on the Google Meet, Google Calendar. Yeah. Yeah. So for the quest 2, basically, for after the session 2 is done, maybe if you can record your agent to like chain of thoughts, logs, or like show the agent planning or multi-step research tasks autonomously. So this is one of the things you need to do. So we will gonna give everybody a Google Drive, by the way. No need to worry. We're gonna give you a Google Drive where it mentioned like problem statement, when it will be mentioned submission rule, well, it will be mentioned official protocol. Official protocol means that step you need to do to get the certificate for each session. So we are trying to do something meaningful. So we want you guys to do something engaging and showcase to the world that you learned something, and which is also you can be done by showcasing on LinkedIn in professional medium. We'll also have we will also upload this PDF of this current session, and I will try to ask our speakers if it's allowed to share their PDF of the session. We will try to do that also. And for the reason I mentioned about the Google Cloud Credit Point, we will not be releasing the video, but the video will be only be accessed by the people who join rather than publicly. But we will make it public after our session is finished, and we will blur out or cut out the code, so there is no misuse of it during when we're having the bootcamp. So yeah. Then our session 3, which is basically Model Context Protocol, MCP, and A2A with Mr. Wei Yuan. He is Google Developer Expert from Google Cloud from Singapore. Oh, by the way, our Mr. Yong Kang is most likely from Australia, but he do stay around Singapore. Yeah. So he is a Google Developer Expert on Cloud from Singapore, who will be going through us about supercharging your agent with the MCP and A2A, agent-to-agent communication. And then the quest 3 will be basically after you're done with that session, you need to demonstrate your agent, like accessing local data or MCP via MCP or verifications, stuff like that. Then sensing and security. So this is one of the important part, getting a bit advanced level, or you can say like giving your agent like security guardrails and sensing. Sensing means like can see, read, or like audio. So first session will be by Miss Lee. She is she is also Google Developer Expert. She's the first female Google Developer Expert from her country. Sorry, she's from Vietnam. And then the quest 4 will be like shield report. So you need to showcase that whatever you learn or same thing, whatever you did throughout the session. Then, sorry, give me a minute. Okay, sorry guys, sorry for the pause. So we will gonna have multimodal vision with Miss Esther. She is a Google Developer Expert in machine learning from Indonesia. And she will gonna go through us like building an agent that can see and hear. So you will be learned after that session. So you need to take a small video, a screenshot of what you are doing for that session, and submit it to LinkedIn, and yeah. And then now the swarm command. So intelligent agent, where we're gonna learn how to deploy, how to do advanced analytics, and also multi-agent orchestration. So for our first session, we were gonna have Tuya. So Mr. Tuya is from Google Cloud, Google. He is a senior developer advocate, senior engineer, developer experience engineer from Google Cloud. He will gonna go to show us like how to build a data analyst agent with ADK, so you can analyze data for using your agent. You can analyze data, stuff like that. and then this is advanced level. And then for the quest, you need to like submit the visual chart or how do you implement it, things like that. And then for quest 7, session 7, so you're gonna learn how to building a local drag and using Gemini Gemma 3 and Core Brand, and also ensuring like privacy, because like you can use you know AI agent which is deployable or on cloud, but you can also make it happen on your local system. So yeah, it's quite fun doing it. I also did it before, and I joined his session before as well. The same topic actually, and he is a Google developer expert in AI, Mr. Tarun. Um, and then we're gonna have quest 7, which is proof of local interface, answering questions, uh, maybe from a private PDF, things like that. So you need to post it on after doing it, take screenshot and post it on LinkedIn. And then Mr. Ai, she is from Vietnam. She's from Myanmar, I think, if I'm not mistaken. She is also a lecturer. So Dr. Ai, lecturer in one of the universities in Thailand. So from her, we are gonna know like how to orchestrate a multi-agent swarm, conflict logic, managing your agent, multi-agent. Um, so yeah, same thing. So you need to show like A2A communication more of. So you can see that throughout the session there will be some context overlap, not overlapping. We'll have like short briefing, short explanation. Then that session we're gonna go later and have a big explanation, something like that. So like a process. Then the last session will be on server to screen, where we're gonna deploy our agents, and also like multi-agent to a Flutter mobile app. So you can also learn how to build a Flutter mobile app, and also how to deploy your AI agent through mobile. Uh, yeah. And the quest 9 will be, taking a screenshot, same thing what you're gonna do the previous LinkedIn quest. Okay, so the certification quest. So first of all session, all quests, you need to post publicly in your LinkedIn to claim your certificate. And so we're gonna you can just like it's so easy. You can make a prompt basically. To be honest, like you can actually start doing it now. Just open Gemini, or you can make a gem, or you can make a chat. You can give it a reasoning like we're having this type of. You can dump our caption, the whole caption in the Gemini, and can ask like, okay, you are having this kind of boot camp. The final is a hackathon. This is the thing we need to do every day. Can you help me format the caption for LinkedIn? So if you go to my LinkedIn, all of my caption actually AI generated, but yeah, I did explain the informations like details of what I did, how I did, so it knows exactly how to respond. And yeah, so you can try doing it. So it will be really helpful. Like like you take some information, write it down, and press enter, blah blah blah, and then it give you a caption. Take the screenshot, post, done. So it's so easy. Maybe 5 minutes. All over the process we're gonna take for you. For official tagging, please do remember to tag our GDG UTM and GDG Georgetown, and mention Gemini Nexus hashtag and hashtag Agentverse. Okay. So we can check your progress also. And also evidence form. So evidence vault is basically we're going to provide a Google form. We're going to pin it in our Telegram. So or we're going to make put it in the slide later on, so you can submit each time done with your you are done with your submission, like LinkedIn submission. So after each session, that's all. So please make sure to submit it on time or early. So like it's easier for us to monitor. Other than, let's say we got a session today, but you submitted 3 days later. So there's a high chance that we might gonna miss it. So please make sure that you submit it on time or on on the correct timeline or time period. Okay, so as I mentioned that overall badge, you're gonna get an overall digital badge, which is built with AI digital badge for Google developer profile. So everybody gonna get it. No worries. If you able to complete all of our session, you will be able to redeem your built with AI digital badge. And the mastery certificate. So mastery certificate is basically somebody who actually went through 9 sessions and also did the final submission. So what is final submission? So that is what our hackathon is about. So the thing you learn throughout the process of different type of agent building, we're gonna give you a problem statement. We're gonna give you some track, obviously based on the thing you learn, and then after you did complete everything, you will gonna be able to get the mastery certificate, aka completion certificate of Gemini Nexus, built with AI Gemini Nexus, the Agentverse hackathon. So it's a completion certificate. So yeah, so we hope you guys can follow through us whatever we are trying to do, and also it will be like a really really good thing that you are learning something new, and then you will be able to implement it. So what makes you different? Once again, you see so many people going through different hackathon, everybody trying to use AI. This is time you learn how to make things autonomous. As an example, I'm gonna say, uh, uh, for us, we are having 9 sessions, 8 workshop and 1 session, right? So we have 1,000 responses. So how do we do it? The insert, because we only have one Google form, we collect the information from you. Then how do we do the data entry to our website? We also made it autonomous. So basically, the whole through process, it will be automatically fill in, submit. So yeah. Okay. So rules and regulation of engagement. So basically, the whole thing is solo mission. Nothing is group work. So we want you to learn from scratch to like advanced level. Um, that's so I mean so you can actually learn something, and you can actually be an asset whenever, let's say, you are joining a hackathon with your team. So yeah, so that what can makes you stand out among everybody else. Yeah, prove that you are architecture, no hiding behind the team members. So yeah, the what happens in hackathon. So I don't want to go for that. Okay, so protocol 2, um, uh, which is code integrity, no copy pasting of existing repo without modification, leads. Which can lead to like instant zero. So it's really easy. You can try out, explore new different things, and if you do experiment, then you know that okay. So there's a really fun thing I can do with this, rather than I'm just copying whatever other doing. But yeah, that's also important, copying, because when you copy through the process, you actually understand the steps. Then after you're done, go through the step, then you can know, okay, this is the point I can tweak, and this is the response I'm gonna get. So something like that. Okay, So I mentioned before, sincere apologies for today because different timeline, different time zone. Ramadan observe. So due to Ramadan, we will try to like respect the schedule of the breaking fast through iftar, tarawih, and suhoor. Community code, we adhere by the GDG community guideline, professional conduct at all times. So please make sure, okay, whenever you guys already get the ticket, right, there is community code. So you can read through it by clicking it. So it's basically, like no hate speech, no, like we just be here as to learn. We are open community, regardless anywhere from you from anywhere, regardless of you have a technical knowledge, and if you don't have a technical knowledge, it's completely fine. In our community, we believe in like diversity, and we believe in we learn from each other, we grow, like we connect and grow together. So that's what we do. So yeah, and submission time can be changed, but submission time, this one is basically for hackathon. So submission time can be changed depending on some tweak we need to do. Uh, yeah, if we can have another briefing, we can do that. If we don't do another briefing, then we might try to maintain that exact timeline, which is 15 March 2 p.m. Throughout the process, throughout our Gemini Nexus Agentverse, actually, you might have some surprise sessions or events. I don't want to spoil it, but we try to have some exclusive sessions we want to give you guys. Even though we have workshop, even though we have session, but we will also have some exclusive initiatives, small initiatives in between the session, in between the gaps we're gonna have. So hopefully we can make it happen. Yeah, so let's see. Let's stay tuned. Um, okay, so I'm gonna give a break at 9:20, and we're gonna start a bit because I'm giving a break, so we're gonna extend a bit 10 minutes. So hope you guys can fresh up, drink water, or if you wanna break your fast because different time zone once again. Okay, so this is for the final challenge. This one I will gonna cover it after we take a short break. Okay, 7 minute break. So we will start again. So 25. Okay, 26. Okay, we were gonna start again at 26, 9:26. Okay. Yes. Hello. I cannot hear you. Is there anything you're asking? Hello.
I think see, it's some network issue.
Yeah, I think so also. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We will give you the slide. No worries. We already gonna have a Google Drive that will have everything. We'll share with you.
Excuse me, Samuel. I have a
Yes,
question.
yes, yes, yes.
For each of these sessions, will they be recorded? Because I'm currently in college and I haven't gotten my third semester schedule, so I'm concerned that it might clash with one of my classes and I won't be able to attend. So I was really hoping if you could record each session so I can look back on it when I'm done with class.
Yeah, we do mention that we will try to have recording, but then again, remember that we have a limited time slot to go through the process and post on LinkedIn and claim your certificate. So I hope you guys can go through it. We will try to do it, but we will not make it public, the link. Only for the people who are joining us, and only so that you can refer to it and can do exercise on it. Where can I get the details of the hackathon? Um, we're gonna share. Yes. Hello. Hello, Mr. Pavel.
Hello, thank you a lot for this initiative. It's very, very interesting to take part in it. And I have a question about uh, we'll be using Google uh, Gemini 3.1 Pro, I guess, yeah, and other tools like Agent Development Kit and so on. We will get some credits for using it. Uh,
Yes, yes, you will.
and how can we do it? How can we, or what should we do to get the
Oh,
API?
okay. Most of the time, we'll try to use the Google AI Studio to get the API. So it's more than enough actually for the free API. And then for the Google Cloud Credit, before each session, every speaker we have will share the code, or we will also share the code. Yeah,
Thank you a lot.
yeah. I hope that helps.
Uh,
Hello.
Hi, Samuel. Uh,
Yes.
I have something to ask you is that, for example, just like I do remember, I mean, for each session, what is the submission deadline for their quest usually?
For each session, as soon as possible.
Oh, okay, but because since some of the sessions I won't be recording it, but I still can get the link for the quest, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. Yes. Anybody have any question? More question?
Sorry,
Yes.
I would like to ask the sorry. I think I repeat like twice the message. I don't know
I'm
whether you see it
sorry.
because for the shield the section 4, I didn't receive the link to access the meeting or whatever the Google meetings.
Oh, actually, we are gonna use this meeting for every session. This same link.
Oh, we are
Hello,
using the same link forever, right?
Yeah, forever. Yes, until we finish. Yeah.
hello,
Hello.
Samiul. Yeah,
Yes. Hi.
this is Flora. Please, I need to verify. How will we get the links to each session? Will it be sent to us, or we continue to use this same link to join
Just
every
use the same
session?
link. Yeah. Just use
Okay,
the same link.
thank you.
May I
Hello,
ask a question?
Samuel.
Yes.
So I have a one-part question. So for the digital badges that you mentioned just now, is it able to be added in Creditly or is it just a LinkedIn edible badge?
Okay, so you're gonna get one overall badge and you're gonna get certificate for each session. So certificate of each session you can just add on your LinkedIn. For the digital badge you're gonna get, you can actually never try adding on Credly, but in Credly you can also add manually, right? Or you can link your Google
Not,
developer.
not all, not all actually. Only supported badges can be added.
I mean, but you can do add the manual one because I did add some manual patches, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, there is option.
Thank you.
Yeah, and the badge we're gonna give is basically Bit with AI badge, which is gonna you can actually uh, like able to store it in your. Okay, let me show you. Give me a minute. Something like this. GD. Okay, anybody have any question? I can answer.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if let's say I miss some of the quiz or recording since I'll be traveling next month, can I still join the final submission?
Anybody can join, no problem.
Okay, okay.
uh, our whole workshop, I mean, our whole initiative is basically to help you learn from zero to advance. And to implement that whole thing, we are having that hackathon. So that's the thing. So you learn, then you implement.
All right, thank you.
Okay, another thing. So if you are not registered for Google I/O, please do register. I dropped the link here. I already registered, by the way. I will also try to have, yeah. If you go to the profile, So you can see that something like that. See, this is register. You can also get after you register. You can also get a digital badge. Attendee. So this is basically you're gonna get. So I already check the badge if it works. So that's why I have it already on 7th February. So attendee badge for Big Data 2026. So you can actually share it on LinkedIn via this one. You can go check your details of the badge. Yeah, so you can see on your profile, you can share something like that. I'm not sure you can add this one on your LinkedIn. I never tried, but yeah, these are all the Google for developers profile badges. So you can actually earn it. Yeah. Yes. Anybody have any question?
Hi, I have a question. I was
Yes.
just wondering, right? If let's say we do not prefer to post it on LinkedIn, is there any other way that we can get the certificate?
Um, it's wise to post because we made it compulsory. So I hope that you guys can do it.
I was actually going to ask the same thing because I've never used LinkedIn and I just signed up this morning.
Oh, it's really easy to be honest. You can just log in. I mean, it's so easy. You can just log in through email, and then just open up, make it your first post. We start from somewhere, right?
Yeah, great, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a
Thank you for the
question. Is that
answer.
okay?
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I was just gonna say like the reason why I don't want to post because my profile I do have other content, so that's why I'm just asking like if there's any other ways that I can obtain the certification because I will be attending all the classes, but if I just don't want to put it on my profile.
I mean, you can put it for the time being, maybe. You know, for the time being, then you can put it in your skills part. There's an option for skills also, or there's option for license certificate also part. So yeah.
Excuse me,
Okay, that works. Thank you.
excuse me,
Yes.
Mr. Samuel. I want to ask just now the quiz one, right? So we just open the terminal, type the protocol initiated, and then screenshot and put in the LinkedIn with the hashtag. After this, then we are all, uh, I mean, that's all done, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, that's for today's session. You can take also screenshot for today's meeting. Actually,
No
it's
need to fill in
also
any form.
sorry.
No need to fill in any form to submit.
Oh, I mean, we will gonna give form later on. No worries.
Okay,
Yeah,
and
we
one
will
more.
email the form.
Okay, one more question is about the Google Cloud credits. I've registered last year, but I forget to use it, and the free trial credits is already expired. I don't think I can reclaim that free trial credits. So what should I do?
Oh, as I mentioned before, that we will have Google Cloud Credit provided for everyone.
Oh,
So
not not
whoever,
not to use our own account. You
no, no,
have
no, 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 no.
okay, okay,
Only the Gemini API from Google AI Studio you might need to use from your profile.
okay, understood. Thank you very much.
I have a question. Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. For each session, will be provided only the badge, or as you said earlier, for each session will be provide the badge and the certification, like the certificate.
Actually, for each session, you're gonna provide certificate, but overall, we're gonna give a badge.
Or isn't it the other way around? Initially, like you said in the slide, that each session will be provided a badge. Then, lastly, for the final submission, we provided a master certificate, something.
No, no. I mean, it's each session we're gonna get certificate. Okay, let me clear it out a bit. Each session after you're done, we're gonna provide a certificate, and then we're gonna give you one badge for overall, which is with the AI badge, and then after you finish all of your session, you're gonna get another certificate, which is basically the mastery certificate, which means you completed everything for Gemini Nexus.
Okay, thank you. And one more thing, will the certificate be able to be posted in LinkedIn?
Yeah, definitely. Everything you can post on LinkedIn.
Samuel, Samuel,
Yes.
I want to ask one more question. Is that do we need to register a Google Cloud account for this whole Agentverse?
Okay. So, if you remember during the form, we ask you to submit your personal Gmail, right?
Yes.
So, one of the most important note everybody's need to take today is that you need to have Gmail. Otherwise, you will not be able to redeem the Google Cloud Credit, or you will not be able to use the Google Cloud Credit Console,
Oh,
Google
so
Cloud Console. Yeah.
okay. Oh, I mean how the Google credits will be delivered to us.
Actually, the code is already with me. So we already received it today, and then we will share it during the beginning of our session. So you can redeem it that time, and it will be stored in your billing as a 5 credit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, it means it will directly be given into our Google account, right?
No, no. I mean, we're gonna give you a QR or a link. Please make sure the personal email you're using, you use the same email to get the like credit. There is two way you can redeem by yourself. We can put your name also there, but yeah, you can actually claim by yourself also
Oh, okay, okay. After each session. Oh,
before
okay.
each session.
Oh, okay. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, no
Uh,
problem.
but I also would like to ask is that when, just like if when will the team registration of the hackathon begins?
Oh, already. I mean, this is the whole thing. We register for hackathon and also the bootcamp. So whoever joining the bootcamp is final product is the hackathon.
Oh, okay, okay. I mean because I am sure this one is so the whole hackathon is solo, right?
Sorry,
So the whole hackathon is solo or team based solo, right?
solo. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Anybody else have any question?
Excuse me. How, like, will you send us the evidence vault?
Sorry.
The evidence vault. Will we have to like post the submissions?
Wait, let me check. Which one? Evidence vault.
Yeah.
Wait, what did I put? Oh yeah, I mean we will gonna give you the link. Google
So
Form.
we just have to send like our submission proof in the evidence vault.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else have any question? Can open your mic and ask. There's a lot of question in the chat. Maybe I cannot
Yeah,
track it.
I have two questions. The first question is because I have the concern. For example, if we need to process the data that's quite large, like for example, if I using my current Google account and the Google Drive is already maybe taken up because the free one is given like 15 gigabyte, right? So if I use up already 10 gigabytes, so am I worried that if let's say if we use any tools or like for example Google Collapse, which is the Google products, and we need to process the data, it will take up our drive. So this is the thing I'm worrying about.
Oh,
This is
that's
the
why.
first question.
Okay. And the second question?
Oh, the second question is just the Google form. Because for the topic two, building your first autonomous helper or AI agent
Mhm.
by Yong Kong Hei, which is on 25th February, right? But the Google form is closed already. I just realized it.
Oh, you haven't registered, is it?
Yeah.
But today you are joining, right? So if you're joining today, that means you register already.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought for each session, right, we need to register for each session.
Oh,
There's no
never
need
mind.
to.
We're gonna help you put the data. That's why we make one form only to reduce the whole pain scenario.
Oh, that's it, that's it. Okay. So how about my first question
Okay.
about the Google Drive,
Okay, the first
the
question to
storage?
answer, we are using Google Cloud Console basically. So it's virtual. So yeah,
Oh, so there's no need to worry about the Google Drive, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, because I just worry for example, we need to do data processing, then might take it. Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
But even though, let's say you are using the Colab, right, Google Colab, right, you can see that there's processing. For processing, you sometimes have extra spacing. If you see in the bottom left corner, it's completely different than the drive space you have.
Oh, because for example, just like we need to train like just example, and I train the very simple machine learning model, right? We need maybe to upload our data set maybe in the Google Drive, then we use the file pathway. I mean the file
Okay.
path in the Google Colab where is the location, then it access our data, then we will do pre-processing everything.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree that. I agree that. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes happens.
Yeah, that's why I worry about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hope that helps.
So,
Yes.
okay, thank you so much.
No worries. No problem.
Uh, Hi, Samuel.
Yes. Hi.
I have a quick question. I mean, last month I participated for Google Technical Series, and while doing the lab session, so we come across like we were using some Gemini, what do you say, the LLMs.
Uh huh.
Then we come across few issues like exhausted. So hope we will be not facing those sort of issue while we are doing the session with your.
Yeah, hopefully we will not, but if we have any kind of issue, actually, I mean, our managers also will be there, hopefully through our session. So if we have any issue, or every single speaker is our Google developer expert, so they actually know how to help you through the troubleshooting. So you don't need to worry about it.
Okay. Because there are so many audience, participated for the session. So while everyone hitting the same URL, we come across this sort of issue.
Mm, understandable, no problem. Yes. Anybody else have any question?
Hi, I have a question. So
Yes.
from the briefing you gave earlier, just now
Uh
you
huh.
showed a few slides with session one, session two, session three, and also all the quests, right? Quest one, quest two, quest three, and so on. So quest one we are supposed to do right now, correct?
Uh huh. Yes. Yes.
And the quest after that is as we attend the further sessions, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and for every session, there'll be one that quest to be done, and from there we'll get the certificate together with that overall badge, correct?
Yes. Exactly.
And then at the very end, after we're done with all the 9 sessions, there'll be the hackathon event, right?
Yes. Exactly.
Uh, and after joining that hackathon, then we'll get that certificate for everything, the master's certificate, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. No worries. Anybody else have any question?
Hi, Samuel.
Yes. Hi.
So, rather than except for the benefits that we get in the Google Cloud and the credits, are we actually will get Gemini API keys or something like that? Since we some of us actually prefer to use Gemini in the CLI rather than the chat.
We will gonna use the Google AI Studio. From there, you can actually call your own API
So we will get some level of Gemini API key access to use in Gemini CLI, is it?
from your side. From your side,
From our
yes.
side.
Like you can use your own Google AI Studio to get the API.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Hello, I have a
Yes.
question just asked one.
Hi. Sure.
Uh,
Sure.
okay, the quest that we have to do so on, like quest 2, quest 3,
Uh
quest
huh.
4,
Uh huh.
all these tests, is there any software, like any platform that we have to like code the AI? Like for example, like Visual Style Code or like in a already established AI or like in a terminal like CMD, command prompt?
Okay. So, from what I know, we got the information from our speakers that most of the thing we were gonna try to use the ADK, Google ADK. And second of all, for the offline one, the offline RAG AI agent one, that one we will use VS Code or anti-gravity. And then what else? Yeah, overall, like that's all you need to do. Uh, Basically, other extra stuff you might need to do is installing the Python, and yeah.
Okay, so but to clarify, like all this could be done, like all the quests could be done using Google ADK, right?
Yeah, that's why we are using the Cloud Console, so you can. There is also, like in Google Cloud Console, you can also open a terminal over there, so you can work there also.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
No worries. Anybody else have any question?
Hi, I would like to ask again.
Yeah, sure.
I have two questions. First is for the certificate that we're going to get, is it in a PDF form?
Yeah, digital. I mean, yeah.
Okay, in PDF. Second, for the upcoming sessions that we're going to attend, how are we going to know when is the date and timing?
If you follow our social media, let me give you the social media link. We actually uploaded everything on social media, every single detail.
So we all basically just have to keep up to date, constantly check your social media.
Yes, but other than that, we will
No,
gonna also provide the Google Drive where you're gonna have the information. So we're gonna send it out by today or tomorrow morning.
oh, okay. So which means the Google Drive already contains all the infos on all the dates and timing for all the sessions.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yes.
Samuel?
Yes. Hi.
Hi. I would like to ask, if we don't complete the homework, then we don't get the badge. Can we just still continue with the next module?
Yeah. I mean, it's not like, it's certificate is always good, right? So there will be homework, aka I mentioned that you can code along, or you can tweak some stuff. So that is all the homework thing, basically.
Okay. And
So
then if
we
I'm mm,
we just want
and
to
if
see
I'm
like your effort. Yes. Sorry.
sorry, and if I'm working like during the time like 4 to 5:30, can I just record it and then go back and watch it back?
Oh, definitely, no problem. But please don't reshare it, because we will gonna post it on our YouTube later on. And just the one concern is the Google Cloud Credit being misused. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Yes. Kisha, is it? Nearly or Kisha?
Yes. I want to ask is that today we have to post the first quest, right, in LinkedIn.
Yes,
Have to,
yes.
okay. And when is the deadline for that first quest?
There is no deadline actually. You can submit whenever you want, but it is highly suggested you submit before the next session start, uh, so that we can keep a good track on, like, if let's say you submit late, there's a high chance that we might not gonna see it. It will gonna get overlap or overwhelmed with the new submissions, something like that. But we will try to track, no problem. But for being a bit be fair with everybody, we would recommend to submit as soon as you're done.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, no problem.
Hello, can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, do we have a channel where we can send our questions? Because I think there are a lot of repeating questions, and I think we have to respect everyone's time.
Yeah, that is true. No problem. I Okay, same thing. I was gonna provide you the feedback form, so you can put your question there.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
And Mr. Samuel?
Yes.
Hello. Because every session is just 1.5 hours, and we here have more than 400 plus participants. I'm not sure whether we can catch up. And if not, then who else we can approach to? A one-to-one? Is there any one-to-one can approach? If any questions or need some guidance?
Okay, so usually our Google developer experts are really kind and they are open to the different kind of question. Whenever you go through the session, they're gonna say by themselves. So if you got any question, any problem, you can reach out to them through LinkedIn. That's why also LinkedIn important. So like they can see your progress.
Oh, but what I mean
Yes.
is just can just meet or one on one. I mean it's just how to say one-on-one meets. Is any questions we can approach in not in person, just maybe we can Google Meet or any Teams meeting, then we can just ask directly to the mentor.
Okay, so if you guys want that kind of thing, we need to like maybe discuss a bit with our mentors and if possible scheduling. So we will look into it and let you know, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a question. How can I join the Google I/O community?
You saw it's not a community. You saw the link I sent, right, just now? The Google, well, let me check. Let me pin it. Pin it for you. Okay, this is our social pin. This is our, okay. So when you go to the Google developer, like the website, you will be, you will show a pop-up Google I/O. So you can just press enter and go through the process and you can register yourself and you can also set a calendar notification for yourself to check it. Yeah, somebody's here already. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Samuel,
Yes, yes.
is this Google I/O and also the other app we're going to be using, Google ADK? Both of them are free, right? There's no a trial
Sorry.
set for any of them?
Sorry, can you repeat?
And I was wondering, is this Google I/O community and Google ADK that we'll be using in the upcoming session, are they both free or is there like a free trial?
I mean, we are not using any I/O community. Google I/O is a event basically.
I see. All right, thank you.
Good to get latest information. Just yeah, that is true. Somebody shared something in the group, so thank you so much about Google. I can register. Okay, problem. So basically, Google I/O is like all the new updates from Google each year we have. So yeah, it's really fun. Like how technology is growing, and we can catch up that. So yeah. Yes. Anybody else?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Oh, we actually have a Telegram group, to be honest. I'm not sure if you guys joined it or if you guys missed it, but let me drop the link in the group. So please do remember to join it because you can ask a lot of things, to be honest. Wait, yeah, where is Telegram group? Okay. So this is the Telegram group for everybody. Okay, so if let's say you didn't join, I did email few time, but I'm not sure if you guys maybe missed it. Where should I post the link of our? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys. So that's why we say, even if we let's say miss it, you can still follow it. Notification. So that's why I say if we still miss it, so you can still follow it. We will gonna send you all the on the link, everything, hopefully by tonight, so don't need to worry about it. Yeah, just check your email. That's the only thing we want you to check. Yeah. We will share with you, no problem, no problem. Let me share the feedback one first. We are currently working on our Discord, so the Discord will be provided on 7 March. Yeah, so there is some things are coming for you guys. So overall, we want to use that channel for every purpose. Let's see. Okay, yeah, definitely. I mean, just give me a minute. Let me share the Google form, feedback form. And, if you have questions, just drop it in the chat. I lost the link. Just give me a minute. Okay, here you go, the link. Chat. Okay, you can add your questions here. Yeah. Oh, before you leave, I would like to ask everybody to open their camera. So we couldn't cover our final hackathon briefing today, so I sincerely apologize for that. We were gonna go through it before we start your hackathon on 13 March. After briefing, then the time will start for 24-hour. Yeah. Okay.
Samiul,
Yes.
I just want to clarify something. So the quest one is not today, is it? It's on 25th, right?
No, quest one is today. Quest one is
The,
today.
the
Level one,
protocol,
quest one is.
the protocol initiated one.
Yes, yes, yes.
But then the verifications by showing the successful API response from Gemini 1.5. So
That one quest. That one is quest two.
that was
I
quest
mean,
2. All right.
yeah, yeah. So no need to do that one verification part. So you can just submit today's overall.
Samuel, can you please share the Google Developer hashtag in the chat?
Oh, right now. Today's hashtag is. Oh, how about the briefing before the break just now? Okay. We thought we can cover that, but we couldn't able to cover the briefing for the 24-hour hackathon. That one we're gonna give you after all the session is done at the end. Yeah. So, okay. Let's open the camera for a while so we can make our sign. This is called our GDG sign. Who or Tasneem can help taking a screenshot? Full screenshot.
Yes, sure.
Okay, for the people who maybe weren't able to take any screenshots for your posting, I'm gonna share with you guys the screenshot. I mean, you can, like take a screenshot for yourself. Yeah, in case you wanna post it. Okay. Tasneem done? Okay, nice. So once again, thank you so much everyone for your patience and joining our session today. Really appreciate your effort